using both ADP and QuickBooks. A proper integration saves you from double data entry and keeps your general ledger perfectly in sync. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. ADP offers direct integrations with QuickBooks Online and Desktop. You'll typically find this option within your ADP portal under Apps or Integrations. Follow the setup wizard to connect your accounts. Once linked, you configure the account mapping. You tell ADP which payroll categories, like gross wages, taxes, benefits, should post to which accounts in your QuickBooks chart of accounts. My crucial pro tip: run a small test payroll first. After setting up the integration, process a small, off-cycle payroll for one employee. Review the journal entry created in QuickBooks to ensure all the amounts and accounts are mapped correctly before running your full, regular payroll. Seamless integration is the key to accurate, efficient bookkeeping. Have you integrated your payroll with your accounting software? How much time did it save you? For more guides on connecting your business tools, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.